Hi guys, Ange here. Thanks for joining me and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to revisit the Norvina eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverley Hills. So if you'd like to see how I created this eye look using this palette, just keep watching. Now before we get into the video guys, I'd just like to say welcome and thank you for taking time in your day to tune into one of my videos. I like to share beauty tips and reviews and other interesting things that appeal to the more mature woman because I strongly believe that we can still be fab over 50. If that sounds like you, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you are notified of any upcoming videos. I have left links down below in the description box to everything else that I'm wearing on my face, so if you are interested, I have linked them down below. And if you would like to see how I created this bold, smoky, cool look on my brown eyes and my hooded mature eyes, let's get into it. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia eye primer, and you only need a little bit of this. And going in with my Zoeva 142 concealer brush and just blending that in. This is perfect for doing the eye primer. It's a wee travel size version of the concealer brush and I love it for doing this. Now today I'm going to try more of the cooler looks in this palette. I want to try more along the lines of these cooler shades, but we'll see how we go. So because we've primed, I'm going to go in with the shade Beige with a big fluffy brush and just do the top part of the eye, not the lids. I'll just add that to the upper lid for blending our transition colours. Okay, so I'm going to go in first with the colour Incense and my Morphe R37 brush. So just taking it into the outer corner first, and then I'm going to continue with the small circular motions and window shield wiper action and take it across the deeper portion or the most real estate portion of my eye. So just on the outer and blending that in. I'm just taking that into the inner portion of the eye and up into the corner of my eyebrow. Okay, I'm going to go in with a Wayne Goss number 18 brush and I'm going to try this colour here, Soul. And we'll try building that up in the outer portion of the eye. And I'm going to take that in the portion in my crease just where my eyeball is. And the brush should easily fit there. So little circular motions and coming inwards. Blending it into that transition area. It's quite a different colour for me. Tapping it in the outer portion of the eye. I'll add a little bit Picked up a little bit much that time. And into the... And back in with the R37 brush. And just a little bit of this incense again. And just buffing the transition and that soul colour together. Just to give it more of a blend. Now which sparkly shade am I going to use? I'm actually going to try a bit of dazzling with a flat little brush. It's very creamy. And just pressing it into the eye, because I've done my eyes back to front again today and I don't want fallout, and so far so good, no fallout. This is a very creamy colour. It's actually quite creamy to take it out of the palette. And I really like the Anastasia eyeshadow brushes for these sorts of shades, because they do press in really well. I do like that. That was a good choice. I must admit, I never go into an eye look or a makeup look knowing exactly what I'm going to do. I definitely play as I go. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this little Morphe brush, and it's quite a soft brush, and it's a Morphe M321. And I'm going to go in with Volatile. And I'm just going to tap that in the outer corner. And take it up and into, I might run it under there as well. And I have got fallout that time. Happens when you don't tap off the brush. So just blending that into the outer corner. I don't want to make this too dark. It's actually a nice colour on my brown eyes. And blending up. Okay, going back in with my Wayne Goss and just blending everything up the top here, especially in the outer corner where we added the colour Volatile. Taking a little brush again, and I'm going to go in with the colour Dream. That, pop that in the inner corner. Ooh, it's very impactful. Ooh, I like that. Let's try it again and just go up there. Taking my finger, tapping it because I don't want it too right. Might go in with a little bit of drama and run that under my eye. Okay, to add a little bit of drama, I'm going to use the Fenty Fly Liner. And while I'm getting ready for that, I'm going to take some lashes and let the glue dry while I'm doing the eyeliner. So I'm just taking my duo glue and the lashes and the liner. And I'm just going to dot it really closely to my lash line. My fan. Okay, I really don't put lashes on enough for it all to go smoothly. That's why I don't film it on camera. I'm going to just do the waterline with my Nars black eyeliner. Lower lashes with MAC Extended Play Giga Black. Okay guys, so that is the finished look using the Norvina palette. I went for the more cooler tones this time and I really like this. I don't know if it's because we're on lockdown and I am not wearing makeup every day, but I really like this on my brown eyes. It's different, it's not my neutrals, and I really like it. I need to get a bit more practice in putting on false eyelashes. They are such a pain. That's why I film that off camera, because it's so fiddly and they just don't play ball. If you enjoyed that guys, please give it a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you are notified of any upcoming videos. I hope you did enjoy me revisiting this palette. Let me know what you thought of the colour choices today, and if there are any other palettes that you would like me to revisit and play with. It's great for me because I get to delve into my palettes and try something different to what I don't typically automatically gravitate to. If I'm having to revisit a palette for a second time, I need to try and mix up the colours to what I'm used to. So please let me know down in the comments below if there are any palettes that you would like to see me revisit. If I have that palette, I will do so. I hope you're all staying safe and looking after one another. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later guys. Bye.